Ever wondered how long it would take to become a Crorepati if you save 30,000 rupees a month at the age of 46? The dream of becoming a Crorepati can often feel distant, an elusive goal that dances on the horizon. Yet factors like your age, the amount you're able to save each month, and the investment strategies you adopt can significantly influence the timeline of your journey to becoming a Crorepati. It's a delicate interplay of time, money, and financial acumen. Well, it's not as far-fetched as you might think. Investing is the key that unlocks the door to the Crorepati Club. Let's dive into why investing holds such power. When you save, your money sits idle, but when you invest, your money works for you. It grows, it builds, it multiplies. This is not just a financial strategy, it's a wealth creation journey. Now, imagine a seed. If you keep it in a box, it remains just a seed. But plant it, nurture it, and it can grow into a towering tree. Similarly, your money, when invested, can grow exponentially over time thanks to the magic of compound interest. Compound interest, often referred to as interest on interest, is the secret sauce of investing. It's what makes a seemingly small amount of money grow into a substantial sum over the years. This is because your returns are reinvested and they, in turn, earn returns. It's a cycle that amplifies growth. So, if you're dreaming of clubbing with the Crorepatis, don't just save. Invest. Make your money work for you. Let it grow and multiply. And remember, every investment strategy requires patience and consistency. So, keep investing. Keep growing. Remember, every rupee invested today is a step closer to your goal. Not all investments are created equal. Choosing the right mutual funds is crucial. In the vast sea of investment options, mutual funds provide a vessel that's both sturdy and capable of navigating through choppy waters. But not just any mutual fund will do. For our scenario, we're focusing on diversified, equity-oriented funds. Why, you ask? Well, these funds offer a balanced mix of stocks across various sectors and industries. This broad diversification helps reduce the risk associated with investing in a single sector or industry. Now let's dive a bit deeper. Imagine a mutual fund as a basket. This basket holds different types of fruits, or in our case, investments. A diversified equity-oriented fund is like a fruit basket that has a bit of everything. It's got apples, oranges, bananas, and so on. Each fruit represents a different sector or industry. This way, if one fruit or sector doesn't do well, the other fruits or sectors can cover for it, ensuring that the overall value of your basket doesn't plummet. But remember, it's not just about picking any diversified, equity-oriented fund. It's about choosing the one that aligns with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. So do your homework. Look at the fund's past performance, understand its investment strategy, and evaluate its management team. Also, it's important to remember that investing in mutual funds is not a one-time event. It's a process that requires regular contributions and patience. So, make sure you're comfortable with the amount you're investing and the time you're willing to stay invested. Choosing the right mutual funds can accelerate your journey to becoming a Crorepati. Investing is not a set-it-and-forget-it game. Regular portfolio reviews are essential. Imagine your investment portfolio as a garden. You wouldn't just plant seeds and forget about them, would you? No, you'd water them, prune them, and maybe even move them to a sunnier spot if they weren't growing well. The same goes for your investments. Regular portfolio reviews are like garden checkups. They help you understand how your investments are growing and whether they're on track to reach your financial goals. Is your portfolio growing at the expected rate? Are there any underperforming funds that you need to replace? Are there any new opportunities that you should consider? Remember, the financial market is dynamic. It's constantly changing due to a multitude of factors such as economic trends, political events, and technological advancements. Therefore, what worked well for your portfolio last year may not work as well this year. Regular portfolio reviews help you adapt to these changes and adjust your investment strategy accordingly. Yet, it's not just about reacting to the market. It's also about evolving with your life's changes. Maybe you got a promotion, or maybe you're planning to start a family. Each of these life events could impact your financial goals and risk tolerance, necessitating changes in your investment strategy. Regular portfolio reviews keep your investment strategy on track and your Crorepati dream within reach. So, how long will it take to become a Crorepati, you wonder? Let's quickly recap the journey we've mapped out in this video. You're 46 years old and you're ready to take control of your financial future. You're able to save 30,000 rupees a month. That's a commendable start. Now the magic begins with investing this money wisely. Our recommendation: diversified equity-oriented mutual funds. These are the vehicles that will drive your investments, compounding them year after year. But remember, this isn't a one-time thing. You need to conduct regular portfolio reviews. It's like checking the health of your investments, ensuring they're on track, and making necessary adjustments. So, when do you reach that coveted Crorepati status? With a steady compound annual growth rate of 12%, you're looking at approximately 13 years. Yes, 13 years of disciplined saving, intelligent investing, and regular monitoring. With a well-structured plan and diligent monitoring, you too can join the Crorepati Club.